Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this diesel air portable heater for a review. So let's open it up, unpack it, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, you have the portable air heater here. Let's look at the accessories here in the box. Okay, if we take a closer look at the components that came with the heater, you have the AC/DC power adapter, you have the wire harness, you have the exhaust silencer, the exhaust pipe, flex pipe, the intake pipe, flexible pipe. You have the air filter. You have the vent adapter, then various fixture accessories, and clamps, and etc. Then of course the heater itself. Open up the case, you have these two red clips at the top. You have the diesel tank. So this is an upgrade from some of the previous models where the diesel tank was external to the case, but these are built in. You have the remote control. We'll take it off the wire. This is where you would put in the diesel fuel. You have the digital display controls. The heat, the clean heat exhaust will be on this side here, and then on the bottom will be the exhaust for the fumes. So let's get some of these components installed and give it a try. Slide the exhaust pipe onto the exhaust outlet. Tighten the tube ring. Place the silencer on the end. Slide the ring up, tighten it. Install the air outlet pipe. Install the outlet cover. So once you get it turned on, you can use the remote or use this power button, and then you can look at the heat different settings. You have heat 1 through 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. I'll put it on the highest. You can hear the heating chamber fire up. It has an internal ignition plug or glow plug. Once the diesel gets to ignition temperature, it'll start turning the heater on and the fan on. You can feel quite a bit of fan and heat coming out of this outtake tube. Of course, you want to use this in a well-vented place. You could put this to the outside, and you can actually get a longer outtake tube. You put this outside and you put this on the inside. So use the setup button. You can set the altitude, the clock display, and the power levels. If you run out of diesel, it'll automatically shut off. So we'll power it off. You need to give it 5 or 10 minutes or so to fully cool off because the exhaust pipe will be pretty hot. I really like the remote control as well because you could be, several feet off, and then you could control the temperature with the plus and minus buttons. Might add, you have the extra brackets here that you can permanently secure the exhaust outtake or the air intake as well. So those will be stabilized. So this is suitable for multiple scenarios. You could power it by a power station supply or just a household electrical outlet like I did, vehicle battery compatible, and so forth. Outside is a heavy duty molded plastic and the new toolbox design, compact that you can carry it around from place to place. Another upgrade is the diesel fuel tank is now on the inside versus the outside. So you just have the fill cap here. It will hold 6 liters of fuel. Whether you're using it for an RV truck or outdoor adventures, it makes it very convenient and hassle-free. Also, you have a smart app control, so you could use this remotely using your heater with a Bluetooth app. Just download the app to your phone. You can adjust the temperature, set times, activate the altitude mode to ensure full combustion efficiency at higher elevations. It is equipped with overheating features, short circuiting or reverse connections, and over voltage protections. So you don't have to worry about this in different environments. So this is a great portable diesel air heater, easy to carry around, digital display. So just a very great compact unit. You could use for your shop, camping, outdoor entertainment, and so forth. So I highly recommend this HCalory diesel air car parking heater.